Hey guys, I'm back, and hopefully you will find this video helpful. I know we are in the beginning of winter and weather outside is not so great in many places, although we have had some pretty nice days out ourselves. However, kids are still needing that outside time and wiggle time throughout the school day to be able to sit down and focus and concentrate. And if your center was out and about and you've been housebound and wondering what can you do, I am going to share with you some things that you can do with your children or child, and you can incorporate these things throughout your days, your weeks, and pretty much throughout the whole school year. Many curriculums include some sort of PE, so this is great. And for the littles, this is something that encourages movement and gross motor skills that they need to advance throughout grade levels and things like that. So, something that I do with the kids pretty much throughout the whole school year. Sometimes we'll just stop every 15-20 minutes or so, or when I just see one of the kids getting a little antsy, I will take them in the other room and have them pull a card, and that is what we focus on for a few minutes, and if we need to continue, we'll pull another card. And it usually does the trick with them, especially with one of the kids, because she's very kinesthetic and she just has to move around all of the time. So there's a couple things that I work with her on to keep her focused while working. But these are our activity cards. So as you see, this one is A, make circles with your ankle. B, balance on one foot. C, clap your hands. So you see the theme, alphabet activities. D, dance. And I do these activities with the kids as well. F, flex your muscles. It's just, fun, like playing Twister. Here's E, elevate your arms. And I think they're out of order. G, grab the stars. H, hop on one foot. I, act like an inchworm. J, jumping jacks. K, kick your legs. L, lift your legs. M, march in place. N, nod your head. J, jump over a pillow, which is awesome because they end up, this just turns into a whole game itself. P, push-ups. Q, quickly walk in place. R, run in place. S, sit-ups. T, touch your toes. U, lay on the floor, put your legs in the air, and ride a unicycle. Lay on the floor. Should be lie on the floor, really. Correct grammar, but I didn't make it. V, pretend you are a volcano. W, windmills with arms. X, pick your exercise, and that's a fun one too. Y, pretend you're using a yo-yo. And Z, run in a zigzag. And so the fun thing about these activities, you can set up obstacle courses around these activities when you have them pull a card. If you have multiple children, you can set up competition style, friendly competition style, and play along with the kids yourself, and of course let them beat you. But it just encourages that movement, and it gets, it's a great boredom buster. And like I said, for rainy days, cold days, snowy days, you need to have some sort of outlet, some sort of wiggle room that these kids can move around, because if not, they will not sit down and concentrate and focus on anything, and that just leads to problems. And so my cards are all cut out. I backed them with cardstock. I don't need to laminate them, but you can laminate them if you want. They're fairly easy to find and easy to print off again, and these have been lasting for a long time. I just keep them put away and accessible to where I can get to them without worrying about the kids bending them or anything. So anywho, but you can find these at homeschoolshare.com. So hopefully this is giving you an idea of what you can what you guys can get into for winter time, PE wise, and just some great family fun time. You have any activities and ideas like this, please share them with me in the comments below. If you would like to see more videos like this, thumbs up and leave me a comment. Be blessed. Happy homeschooling.